All right, you gotta do this. You gotta get Draw Things and CapCut. Check it out. Draw Things uses AI. You give it a prompt, you describe it as I have here, you hit generate. After these orange squares turn blue, your image is ready. Typically, what I found you want to do is kind of, it takes time, so you got to spend like the day just generating images. I have a music video, this kind of Western cowboy kind of theme, and so I've spent the day making images of saloons and horses and stuff like that, and I just collected all kinds of images that I thought supported the lyrics in the song. And so over here, if you take a look, I've got all these images, and these are just some of them. I actually have probably 100, and as you can see, they're kind of interesting images up close and of saddles, and there's more than one image of a saddle because like a factory, you want to create, if you've done any experimentation with AI, you will know that it gives you, sometimes it gives you good results, sometimes it doesn't, and so you just got to go through and make a bunch of different ones and then find the one that looks the best. Now go to CapCut and start a new project. Photos, grab some photos that you think look cool, hit add. Go over here to ratio, YouTube short or a TikTok, go over here and then make it fill the screen vertically, reposition it. And here's the coolest part, say okay to that, go out to effects and go to motion and hit either this 3D zoom, I don't know what that says, pro or whatever, and the other one's just sort of a mild 3D zoom. I'm going to do the radical one at first. So there's that. Click the next one, and I think it'd be wise to alternate between the radical one and the mild one. Click on it, make it fill the screen. Now we'll try that out. Check that out. It looks cool. And we're going to want to click on this one, get the horse to fill the screen, make sure its eye is in view. Add some sounds, go to audio. I happen to have my song in my library. There it is. Click and hold so we can get it to move to the very beginning. And let's see what it sounds like here. And obviously you can keep going, just add more and more images and kind of animate with the imagination of AI and the effects of CapCut. So go up here, export your video. You're welcome. Won't you bring me my horse? I've got to ride on. She lost all her love for me, so now I'm gone.